If you've been investing in cryptocurrency long enough, then these 15% corrections in the market should not scare you, and they should actually feel pretty normal by now. But a lot of people that are watching this video are new here, so let's talk about why it's important to not panic during these recent market corrections. First off, when we take a look at the markets today, you can see that the global cryptocurrency market cap is now $2.23 trillion, down about 2.68% over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is trading at $61,000, Ethereum is trading around $3,000, BNB is at $534, and one of my favorite tokens, Solana, has recovered a little bit today, but is trading at $135. Now, something important to keep in mind is that the Bitcoin halving will take place in about 2 days and 5 hours from the time of recording this video. The Bitcoin halving is the biggest catalyst in the cryptocurrency space. And as of now, guys, I'm just saying as of now, it does feel like we are having some sort of a buy the rumor, sell the news event. Now, there is something very different about this year's Bitcoin halving. We have never in crypto history since 2009 had an all-time high for Bitcoin before the Bitcoin halving has taken place. Now, if we also look at crypto history, every single time that we've had a Bitcoin halving, and we've had 3 by now, we have had an all-time high for Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies about a year to 16 months after the Bitcoin halving takes place. And although we are having a lot of volatility and people are getting shaken out, people are getting scared, this volatility is not only normal, but it's also expected here before the Bitcoin halving. Now, I want to share 2 quick examples about the volatility that we're seeing in the crypto markets and what we can expect to see after the Bitcoin halving. Now, first off, let's talk about this week. Now, I was actually offline for all of this. I didn't even check the cryptocurrency markets over the weekend, but on April 11th, we had a 70,000 plus Bitcoin. I think we actually had a $71,000 Bitcoin. And then over the course of a little over 24 hours and some change, we saw Bitcoin drop all the way down to 61,500. And the reason I show you this is because things can happen fast in the cryptocurrency market, especially when it comes to Bitcoin. But the beautiful thing about cryptocurrency when it comes to volatility is just as quick as we go down, we can also come back up just as fast. Now, let's zoom out a little bit on the charts, which feels like years ago. It was only about 2 months ago. And let's go back to the end of February and talk about what happened to Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin spot ETFs were just approved a little before February 24th. We did see some sell-offs coming from some major companies that got their spot ETFs approved. But on February 24th, we saw a Bitcoin price of $51,565. And then in 2 weeks, we went from $51,000 all the way to an all-time high over $73,000 on March 13th. And if you ask my honest opinion, I do believe that we will see something similar to this happening again. Bitcoin's currently trading at $61,000. I don't know if that's going to be the low here in April or even in May, but I do know that the Bitcoin halving will be a major catalyst. Personally, I do expect more bleeding before the Bitcoin halving, but I'm very confident that we do see all-time highs here in 2024 for Bitcoin. So you might ask what I'm doing. Most of you guys have been here with me on this channel since we had a $15,000 Bitcoin back in 2022. We also had a Solana under $10, and we had an Ethereum that dropped below $1,000 for a couple of days. So in my opinion, it's hard to panic about these prices. We're only down about $12,000 from the Bitcoin all-time high ever. But I do believe that things will get better here very, very soon for the cryptocurrency markets, which is why I'm buying the dip on some of my favorite altcoins. And I'm doing the #1 strategy to get rich in crypto, which is to holding on for dear life. So that's the video, guys. Don't panic about the cryptocurrency markets. I do still expect to see all-time highs here in 2024 and all-time highs set for a number of altcoins in 2025, including Bitcoin. The bull run is still coming. Generational wealth is still coming. And the best things that you can do during these times is to kind of stay away from crypto Twitter, to not look at the charts, not look at your portfolios, buy the dip and hold. It is always proved to win in the long run. Those are my thoughts on the cryptocurrency markets and the volatility. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, follow, and subscribe for more.